Alright, so today we're going to be trying out the Spyder 8 1/4 inch 40 tooth carbide tipped saw blade on the Metabo HPT single bevel miter saw. And right here I've got a 4" by 5/8 inch board, and then I'm going to try another just 2x2. And the idea is, with more teeth, I'll get less tear out, and also they're carbide tips, so it should cut like butter. We'll see how it works. Okay. That is a very clean edge. Just little fluffies, not bad. Jump over to the 2x2. Same thing. This is pine. The first one was cedar. This is pine. We'll see how that works. Next. Nothing. Very well. I'm happy with it. It's a good blade.